Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, this morning on the drive in, we had a pretty good thunderstorm here in Chicago, and that's not really bullish this time of the year. As far as looking at the short-term map, it looks like next week we're going to get another good round of showers across the Midwest. We would expect that crop ratings will improve on Monday, but still we have to keep in the back of our minds that the crop isn't quite made yet, and we still have to figure out what kind of weather we're going to have in the month of July. But right now we're kind of losing time to really hurt the crop enough to rally prices over the previous highs. One question is whether or not we take out $9 bean support price before the USDA report at the end of the month. There is some thought process that just a little bit weaker China demand and a little bit more acres that farmers are planting, and we could actually take out that $9 support level before the report. Corn's trying to hang in there. On one hand, you've got the talk that the corn yield might be a little bit lower and acres might be down, but on the other hand, you have plenty of corn worldwide, and the farmer still has a record amount of corn to sell, and that probably will be confirmed next Friday on the June 1 stocks report. The wheat market is the only market that's really trying to find some support. That's based on the lower U.S. spring wheat crop and some weather conditions in Europe and Russia, but there's a chance that next week Europe might get some rain. So that's been offering some resistance to the wheat market. So for the week, we've had wheat prices anywhere from down 5 cents to up 15 in Minneapolis futures. Corn's down 20 cents, beans down 35 cents, meal's down $9 a ton, and oil's down 160 points. And as far as other news overnight, China sold about 1 million tons of corn out of the reserve. Their Jan through May soybean exports are up 19% from last year. Wheat's up 67% and soybean oil is up 52%, but their corn imports are down 88%. So again, they continue to buy the beans and the bean products, but nothing in the corn. Argentina estimated their bean crop at 57.8 million tons. USDA is at 57.8. But they estimated their corn crop at 47 million tons, and the USDA is at 40 million tons. So that's more corn available out of Argentina. So the funds yesterday sold 12,000 beans, 13,000 corn, and 2,000 wheat. They're back to being short 100,000 beans, about 58 corn, and 77 wheat. No reason for them to cover their positions yet, so we continue to look at a mostly negative tone in the grain markets ahead of and going into next week's USDA report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.